Menteri Rangba ke jylla u Conrad ke sangma wa ke Menteri kechnat irep iriang ke amperin lengdo. Ni dalai pat kia ke thau penmi sembe sala Habayo Resource Development Center opor Shillong. Keni ke krek watip kam ke seed secure Meghalaya, establishment of low-cost formal and informal potato seed production system to enhance food security and income generation, tok ketong ke sorkar walaupun ku ya ipen mi sala wa irep sala ha ke jylla. Ya keni ke projek dapen krek kam da ke International Potato Center, cirup wa ke Meghalaya Basin Management Authority, kechnat horticulture wa ke Central Potato Research Institute Shimla. Habi RDC ki saheb da batai gi hajrong ke apical root cutting, heiru kompen mi sala lengba ke tissue culture plantlets. U Conrad da ongu wa irep kat kam ke juk wakat ni da wan rak khnang wa penti kena wa ye upen mi cibon usala we da wa miat wa bha. Da ongu wa ke sorkar krek ko wa ki warem wa upen yo ya iya pher haperdi irep yong rim wa irep wakat ni. Da ongu wa ke ni ke projek da man ko ke wajom we da ra ya ka chakiwi ki thau khnang yo ye upen mi cibon usala we yo yarap penku ya ka lap ki warem. Da Kyrmen skemo wa de open mkam ya ke ni ke start daw ye upen bun ye pen mi sala ha ke jylla wa ko wi we ha ki snem wo wan daw ye u chalan ya usala wat chakiwi ki jylla ka thain mi sngi. Haga ni ke sngi da law le chakardem khla Integrated Village Cooperative Society opor Shillong we dia kala mo wa ki warep ki wa pen mkam ya ini istan. Hapo ke ni ke projek chispa asan paungut ki warep da yo ke ki sembe ku free jyoti wa himalini da em le san spa angut ki warep ki wa da cha hikai haga ni ke start rep wa thame we kamon ubu upelang ya ki sala arteli ki tissue culture lab ki wa ye upen mi chelak teli ki tissue culture plan ki wo man kam ki sembe we da sorjamin le ye thau wa he khasan hajar chispa suphanru hektar ne benta o rep sala de open mkam ya ke GIS mapping.
Talk about how they have seen the change that's taking place. So this is a great example of how if we can bring in technology, how we could improve the overall life of the farmers and overall increase the productivity and work towards increasing the income of the farmers at the grassroots level. So this is something that we want to do. We would like to see that in the coming years, Meghalaya should be a leading producer of seeds in terms of potato and other seeds also. And we should be having enough production of potatoes and other areas also for ourselves. And hopefully in the coming years, we will see Meghalaya becoming one of the production houses or producing states for seeds so that we can start exporting it to neighboring states and to the rest of the country. So with that target and with that vision, this work is going on and I'm very happy to see the outcome. And we will continue to support this project so that we are able to help more and more of our farmers in our state. Thank you.
Regarding this demo trial, which we got last year in 2022, we got 150 kgs as potato seeds for Jyoti and another 150 for Himalani. And from there, we find that the production is a good amount. And we compare the production of the previous Jyoti, older generation Jyoti, production tuber is very less. And with this G3, this G3 production is higher. And that is why we feel very encouraged to have this CIP working here along with MBMA, that we have this G0, which is very, very strongest we can say, compared to this G0 or G3, G4, G5. And we can find there, we have another part of the plantation, which is, we don't know, G50, G100 or something like that, older generation, whose production now is very, very low. And we can see here we have that older generation, we have the medium generation, and we have the first generation as well. Yield is very high. And that is why we need the support of CIP and with the help of MBMA, because they really connect us to the right source in this right place. So this is what we really appreciate MBMA along with CIP and along with the local authorities in terms of seedlings. Because for consumption, we are selling in kgs. That is for consumption, for cooking. But then for planting or for the seed, we have we are not able to sell in terms of kgs because production of ARC is quite less in terms of numbers. From that ARC that we planted over here in the net house, the yield from per ARC, it is around 3 to 5 tubers. So in that case, we will not be able to sell in terms of kgs. Production is less at the time of ARC. But it is encouraged because from ARC we get to G0, first generation. And then at G0 we are getting better production.